Hey guys, it's me, Stammy Dingle. I'm wearing my Pikachu onesie. I got it from this place in Orange called Got It. They also had like a Charmander or something there as a onesie. They had a unicorn, they had leopard, they had all sorts of wild animal onesies. They also had some dragon onesies, different ones. I also have a zebra onesie. I'll just go show you it, but I have to go into my bedroom to do that. We're in my bedroom now. There it is, if I can get to it. Here's my zebra onesie. You'll be able to see it better if I wear it in another video, but right now I'm using my Pikachu onesie. Get back in there. Haven't got time for you to waste. I also have sorry, tickle in the throat. Also have a lot of different remote control cars, but the main one that I'm going to show you today is my Ford Mustang. Now, a person in Texas has a Ford Mustang. And it's like a ute one. Mine's like a race car. I'll show you her now. This is it. Nice coloration. And yes, she is really speedy, but can't show you that right now because her battery's charging. This is her remote control. And I think its batteries are dead too. Might have to change them so I can show you in another video how fast this car can really go. It's like really fast because one time at a place that we stopped at, it was a Lionsdale Park in Victoria. I put it on the skateboard jumps and it went straight up and over them. It's a really fast car. Has to be really fast to be able to do that. But yeah, I look like Pikachu wearing this suit. It has a tail. And yeah, it's basically, actually hold on, I'll quickly go show you the battery she has. Really good battery, and it's rechargeable too. This is the battery, a 6V. Really fast, really powerful. Also, I really miss my dog Perchy. Even though he's in a better place now and up in heaven, I try to not think about it too much because it gets me all teary. And you guys, Spring, Freddie Bonnie, if you two are watching this, you guys probably already know about Patch's passing away because I've told you about it. What are you on about, Mum? Also, I like to collect with Pokemon since there's so many different plushies of all the different Pokemon characters. I go with the ones that are my favourite, like Pikachu. And I also have this talking Pikachu. His cheeks light up, which is pretty cool. He is so cute. If you guys want to see my other favourite Pokemon plushies, leave a comment down below and I'll get to it. Also, I do also have a mini remote control car. I don't know where it is right now, but it's also a Ford. I got it from Sydney, but it doesn't really work anymore. It has these lines on it. I think they're vertical, or leave a comment in the comment section down below saying what kind of lines they are, vertical, horizontal, any of those technical words for lining. Also, I used to control the remote controlled helicopter. The blue one's my dad's, the green one's mine, but of course they don't work anymore, so they're just up there for show. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. If you like this video, leave a like down below, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Bye.